Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another crypto video. Today we're talking about Square Inc.'s investment of $50 million into Bitcoin. Okay, so Square Inc., they make like all the credit card technology where you're swiping at the stores. I'm sure you've seen their little devices plugged into like iPads and stuff where you insert your card or you're swiping it. They also own Cash App. It's a huge company, market cap 73 billion. So it's a $73 billion company. So big company here. And long story short, they took $50 million of their holdings and they put it into Bitcoin. So let's read through this a little bit and then we'll see how much their Bitcoin is worth today. And we might extend this series to see how much their Bitcoin is worth over time and see if that was a good move. So on October 8th, 2020, let's see what the Bitcoin price was on October 8th, 2020. 10,000. We'll just say like $10,800. So they purchased approximately 4,709 Bitcoins, and that was about $50 million of their holdings. Square believes that cryptocurrency is an instrument of economic empowerment and provides a way for the world to participate in a global monetary system which aligns with the company's purpose. The investment represents approximately 1% of Square's total assets as of the end of the second quarter of 2020. So they invested a very small portion of their assets into Bitcoin. The company launched Bitcoin trading in 2008 in Cash App. I make tons of videos about that. You've seen me do an experiment buying Bitcoin every single day. We're over 600 days, so go ahead and check that out. So that's pretty much all there is to this article, but it's still huge news because other companies will probably be following this soon once they see it pan out for Square. One of those companies, I believe, is Twitter. Jack Dorsey is the CEO of Square and Twitter, so I wouldn't be surprised to see Twitter do this as well in some form. Let's go ahead and calculate here how much their 4,709 Bitcoins are worth now. Remember, they spent $50 million on them, so let's see what these are worth now. So Bitcoin currently at $12,954. 4,709 Bitcoins times 12,954 equals $61 million. So they've turned $50 million into $61 million. Remember, they could sell this right now if they wanted to. They'd probably have to pay capital gains like 50% or something, but that would still be a $5 million gain in 2 or 3 weeks here. But I imagine they're in it for the long term, and I would imagine they're thinking about some sort of dollar cost averaging strategy where they're continuously investing into Bitcoin. And I'm sure other companies are looking at this as well, saying, wow, they just gained $11 million in 3 weeks by switching up their investment strategy, by switching up their holdings. Instead of holding cash, they're holding Bitcoin. And if they can do it, we can do it too. So there you have it. Square's Bitcoin purchase now worth $61 million. It'd be cool to see a Twitter account that posts daily about how much this is worth. I know people do that for funny ones. Like when Dave Portnoy bought his Bitcoin and then sold it, they have an account that says how much his Bitcoin would be worth now. So I'll have to look and see if there's one of those out there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might well.